Okay guys, so a customer brought us this camper. It looks pretty sunburned already. It doesn't have any damage to it, no dents nor nothing. He wants it from this tan color to black, so it's gonna be an easy job. All we have to do is sand it, tape it, and spray. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done sanding the whole camper, and I already went ahead and taped. I already cleaned it with paint thinner, so it's ready to be Raptor. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so that's the first coat. We're gonna let it dry for about an hour or so. So let's just wait. Alright guys, so we let it dry for an hour. All we have to do is just texture it. So let's get to it. All right guys, so that's the second pass. It came out pretty good, so all we have to do is just let it dry and just show you the results. So let's just wait. All right guys, so we let it sit there for about an hour, so it's time to take off the paper, so let's get to it. All right, so that's pretty much for this one. We're gonna clean the windows, but overall it came out pretty good. And guys, a lot of people are asking us what kind of gun do we use, and we just use the normal Raptor gun, which is this one. We also have like a little adjustable for the pressure, and the way that we do it is that to the first coat we always put it at 80 right here, and as soon as we let it dry for about an hour, we shoot out the other pressure, which is 110. Right there in the middle where 100 and 120 is at, and we just let it dry again for about another hour, and this is the results. So just take a look. And a lot of viewers are asking us what kind of compressor we use, so come this way. Alright guys, so this is our compressor. It's a Husky brand. The gallons are 60 and it works pretty good. We like it, and it gets pretty warm. The compressor gets warm, but we have an AC unit and this room is isolated, a little workshop, so we always keep it on, and it's always keep like running, and it gets cold in here, so the compressor won't get warm or anything. And that's pretty much it guys. So here's your little view of the compressor, and other than that guys, thank you all for your support, and just like and subscribe.